this wig, I call them not the curls already, but it is a deep wave 22-inch 13 by 4 transparent lace. I should have got an HD lace, but it's a transparent lace.
Scarred this part, I did end up bleaching the wig. So yeah.
It up by bleaching it. So, because I don't know how to bleach. So we're gonna try another wig. But yeah, I want to try and do a style, but we're gonna see how that go. We're gonna see how that turn out to be. But this wig is very pretty soft. It's like a little shedding, but other than that, it's real good. It's soft. It got like a little smell to it, but yeah.
I'll put the makeup on here because my jaw was in bleaching the wig. Y'all, I switched to a makeup brush after off camera basically, because that cotton ball was getting a little messy. So I had switched over to a makeup brush off camera.
So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to pluck it. The makeup's on here. And yeah, hopefully I do it right. I'm scared because it's my first time installing one of these babies with like a full lace. Not reinstalling, but like a full fucking lace. But I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna pluck this or whatever. So
Here, right here, I'm just parting it into like a middle section. I'm just sectioning it out to get ready to pluck it. I'm not gonna lie, but right here, I gonna be like procrastinating a little bit because, like I said, this is my first week. I didn't want to mess it up or nothing like that. So yeah. And this one I didn't bleach the wig, y'all. I forgot. This one I didn't bleach the wig. So I ended up bleaching it because I didn't like how it was coming out when I was plucking it, because I could still see the knot. So I was like, why is it coming out like this? So then that's when I just ended up bleaching the wig after I plucked one side. So I plucked the other side after I finished bleaching it. So yeah. So right here is the part that I bleached the wig, as y'all can see. So yeah. So I seen a big old difference from before I bleached the wig and after I bleached the wig. So I'm not doing that mistake no more because I was scared, y'all, like to bleach the wig, because I didn't know how long until I started watching like YouTube videos or whatever to see how long I was supposed to leave it on there for. So yeah, this the other side I'm plucking, because my jaw didn't pluck the other side before I bleached it. But after I bleached it, like, yeah, y'all did good bleaching that wig. Don't play with it.
okay, yeah, so I skipped this part because yeah, I ain't got no cap, so we're gonna do this. But I am finna just back off, like wipe my forehead a little bit. Y'all, this wig is so pretty. Oh, and as y'all seen in the previous clip, and I did end up bleaching it. So, yeah, because it was not coming out the way I liked it, how I wanted it to. So I just ended up bleaching it.
on this part, I was clearly trying to figure out how the fuck I was finna style. Oh, I ain't being cursed. But I was just trying to figure out, like, how I was finna style it and stuff. Middle part or, like, that free part thing that y'all be doing. But I don't think I don't think I'm doing a baby hair look because I don't know how to do edges. Y'all know I don't know how to do edges. So, yeah. And my other mistake was putting the glue too far on my forehead and not close enough to my hairline, as y'all can see.
So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 layers, and then that's when I'm gonna come back to y'all. So yeah, y'all lay this side somewhat down.
I was definitely starting to feel myself over here on this part because your girl did good, bitch. Do not play with it, okay? You stop. Okay, so right here I'm just cutting the lace and stuff. My jaw, it was hard for me to cut it because, like I said before, I put the glue too close to my forehead, then on my foreline. So, like, where it was not melted, but like where it was glued to, like, it was hard for me to cut because half of the damn lace was glued to my forehead. See right there, y'all see it? Like right there. And I tried my best to cut it zigzag, y'all. I guess because of the scissors I had. But next time, y'all gonna see me use like a freaking eyebrow razor to cut the lace. Or some zigzag scissors. So, yeah. And I'm not gonna lie to you, your girl was ready to just leave it like this. Cause I was like, I'm tired, bro. And the lace was coming up, so it was like, oh my gosh. But I think I finished cutting off camera. I don't know if I recorded it or not. But I was tired. Cause I was like, oh my gosh, it's not coming out right. It's not cutting it, like. But yeah, I was really thinking about leaving it like this. But I was like, no, I'm not. Y'all see me pulling it and stuff? It was hurting me. It was hurting real bad, y'all. Real bad. Well, on this part, I was trying to figure out like how I wanted to wear it. I didn't know if I wanted to wear like a middle part or like I think it's gonna end up being a side part. I don't know, y'all. I still ain't style it yet, but y'all gonna see at the end of the video how I'm gonna style it. But I think I'm gonna end up doing a side part, like a free part. I don't know how it's gonna come out. But I'm sitting here trying to figure out how I'm gonna style it. My job, it's like 12 a.m. at night. So, yeah, I was tired. So, I was just like, with the F. But I think I'm going to change it to a middle part probably later. I don't know. Depending on how flat I get it. Not in this video, but y'all going to see it on my Instagram. At Blackme. I'm going to type it right here. Because, yeah. But, I'm gonna get ready to put on the makeup, on the lace, y'all. And let me tell y'all, that bitch did it motherfucking thing. Because it came out so motherfucking cute, so motherfucking raw. Like, bitch, y'all gonna be like, what lace? What motherfucking lace? Yeah. Yes, because I know y'all see that shit blending in. Like, yeah, I think I got some makeup on the hair. I'll check it. Oh, yeah, it is. Whatever, I'll fix it up. But I know y'all see that shit blend in with my skin. Like, yeah, you see me pop my head. You know, my face looks so clear right here, but I guess it's because of the LED, the ring light. But, y'all, let me tell you, my face is not clear. That shit look clear as fuck though right here. That's me feeling myself. Yeah. Yeah. Like, I know y'all see that. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm super excited right now. But I know y'all see that. Like, it's giving fun lace. What fucking lace? And it look like this in person too. So, what about it? What about it? What about it? What about it? Yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute, y'all. I should add baby hairs, but I don't want to add baby hairs because I don't want to mess it up. Because, y'all, I don't know how to do baby hairs. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Because I know y'all see the little lace in my hair. It took me a minute to take it out. Like, it would have not come out. Like, it's still there. It's still there. Y'all gonna see the finished touch. Y'all gonna see the finished touch. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. That girl. Like, yeah. So, y'all, this is how it came out. It's cute, you know. I got it like mid-wet and mid-poofy because I don't like the full wet look like. But, yeah. So, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video, please. And, yeah. Bye.